Wednesday, the 24th of June, averages all groups maths task. Okay, so before we break up for the summer holidays, I wanted to go through with you the different kinds of averages that you can find when looking through a list of numbers. So you may have heard the word average in terms of describing performance. So, for example, pupil A did very average in the test. So the averages that I'm going to speak about today with you and teach you today is averages in terms of a set list of numbers. So for example, you may be asked, what is the average age of a child in primary 4 or 5? And there's 4 different ways in which you can find the average age in primary 4 or 5. And they mean 4 different things. And they are called the mean, the mode, the median, and range. So I'm going to show you each one, and then I've got a task for you to complete, for you to show me that you can find the mean, the mode, median, and range averages of a set list of numbers. So if I was to first of all ask you to tell me the mean number or the mean age of the children in primary 4, 5, this is what we would do. The mean is the average of the numbers. It is easy to calculate. Add up all the numbers and then divide by how many numbers they are. So that would be quite a tricky one to do with our class because there are around about 18 pupils in our class. So we would have 18 ages to add up, and then we would have to divide that by how many kids there are, which is 18. So here's a slightly easier example below. So say we have a 6-year-old, an 11-year-old, and a 7-year-old. So we add that together. So 6 add 11 is 17, add 7 is 24. And then we divide by how many numbers there are. You can see there's 1, 2, 3. So we do 24 divided by 3. So how many 3's go into 24? The mean is therefore 8. Okie doke, so there's the mean for you. Feel free to use this website to help you during your task as well. It's just simply called mathsisfun.com. Okay, the next thing we're going to look at is the mode. This website is great for helping you with any of your maths that you're working on. If you search for the topic in the search box, then it should be able to give you some help with what it is that you're working on. Okay, when we're finding the mode value of a list of numbers, the mode I want you to think of most often. So mode most often, the number that appears the most. So let's look at this example. There's 6, there's 3, there's 9, there's 6, there's 6, there's 5, there's 9, there's 3. So it's not the lowest number, it's not the highest number, it's the number that appears the most. So what they've got here is they've got a number line that you can write out and you can tick off when it appears, or you can just do it in your head. Looking at that list of numbers, I can see that the number 6 appears 3 times. So the answer is simply 6. Okie doke, so the mode is quite a simple one to do. The next one is the median. The median can be slightly more complicated, especially in a bigger list of numbers. But basically the median is the middle value of a sorted list of numbers. Now it's important to remember that you must put the list of numbers in order. If it's not in order, the middle number in that list will not be the median. You have to start with the lowest and put them in order up to the highest. So we've got 10, 11, 13, 15, 16, 23 and 26. So it's a list of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers. So the fourth number is the middle number. So therefore that is number 15. Another way that you can do it is that you can put a finger over the first number and a finger over the last number and then work your way in until you're left with one number in the middle. So there's the median for you. And your final one is the range. Okay, the range is the difference between the lowest and the highest values. So you make sure when you do your takeaway sum that the highest value goes at the front and it takes away the lowest. So here's your example, 46937. The lowest value is 3, the highest is 9, so the range is 9 take away 3, which leaves us with 6. So the range, once again, is quite a simple one to do because you identify the highest, you identify the lowest, you take them away, and the number that you are left with is the range. So 4 really handy skills to have when it comes to learning about averages. So you've got mean, mode, median, and range. Don't panic if you've forgotten which one is which. Feel free to start this video again as you're going through it, or use the website Maths is Fun to help you. If you want to go for all 4, that would be great. The get out clause, try at least 1. Okay, good luck guys.